Hello students, now let me solve yet another problem that is so called as illustration number 4. Go through the same. From the following particulars, prepare cost sheet. So below that they have given opening stock of finished goods, closing stock of finished goods, raw material purchased, carriage on materials purchased, direct wages, factory expenses, selling expenses, office on cost, sales, as well as the sale of scrap. So these many items have been given in the problem. So before you are going to solve this kind of a problem, be ready with the blank format of the cost sheet with the respective head. So what is the format of the cost sheet? So here you can go through it. At the top of the statement I have written cost sheet for the year ending, namely 3 columns. One is particulars, inner column, and last column is the total cost in terms of the rupees. So first head is the direct materials. In that you will find opening stock of raw materials, add purchases, less closing stock of raw materials, that gives us the material consumed. Below Roman number 2 will be the direct wages, Roman number 3 will be the direct expenses. So when you are going to add direct materials, direct wages and direct expenses, it gives us the prime cost. To this prime cost we are going to add factory overhead, and under the factory overhead you are going to internally deduct if any kind of the sale scrap has been sold by the business entity, then you will get the manufacturing cost. To that you need to add opening work in progress less closing work in progress, that gives us the works cost. And to that we are going to add the administrative overhead, that gives us the cost of productions. Add opening finished goods less closing finished goods, that gives us the cost of goods sold. To that we are going to add the selling and distribution overhead. At the end we will get the how much cost that we have incurred up to the sales, and out of the sales if you are going to deduct the cost of the sales you will get the margin of the profit. So this is the format, blank format of the cost sheet. Now we need to fill each and every item. So as per our format, opening stock of raw materials is there. So please go through the problems if any kind of the opening stock of raw material has been given in the problem or the not. So when you go through the problem, they have given the raw materials purchased, carriage on the raw materials purchased, but anywhere there is no opening stock of raw materials or closing stock of the raw materials. That is why we are going to directly add purchases. Two types of purchases are there. One is raw materials purchased. One is raw materials purchased amounted to rupees 35,250, 35,250, and another purchase is that the carriage on materials purchase, carriage on materials purchased amounted to rupees 850. Closing stock of raw materials has not been given in the problem. Either opening stock or closing stock of raw materials has not been given in the problem. Straight away we can add only the amount of the purchase. Other things we can left as the blank only. So the total is the 36,100. No deductions are there. Directly we can put here 36,100 only. Now after this there is one more item called as the direct wages and direct expenses. Whether the direct wages are there, go through the problem. Yes, direct wages are there, but direct expenses has not been given. What is the amount of direct wages? It is nothing but the 18,450. 18,450. Direct expenses will be nil. 36,100 plus 18,450, that gives us 54,550. That is nothing but a prime cost. When we are going to add direct material, direct wages and direct expenses, that gives us the amount of the prime cost. To this we are going to add the factory overhead, and internally we are going to deduct the sale of the scrap. So let us search factory overhead as well as the sale of the scrap. So what is the amount of factory overhead? It is nothing but the 2750. Sale of scrap is the 250. That is why factory overhead here it is 2750 and sale of scrap will be 250. What we will do, from 2750 we are going to deduct the 250, that gives us 2500. So this 2500 is going to be added to the 54,550. It gives us 57,050. 57,050. And as far as opening WIP and closing WIP, whether they have given in the problem? No, there is no opening WIP as well as a closing WIP. We can straight away put as nil only. 57,050 and 57,050. Straight away we can consider it as the works cost. And to this we are going to add the administrative overhead. So let us go through the problem whether administrative overhead is there. So actually they have given it is office on cost. Office on cost is nothing but the administrative overhead only. That is amounted to rupees 1,850. 1,850. To this we are going to add. After adding this we will get the cost of production amounted to rupees 58,900. Then you need to check out whether opening finished goods and closing finished goods have been given. Yes, first two items are the one is opening finished goods and another one is the closing finished goods. Opening is going to be added, closing is going to be deducted. 9,750. 9,750 should be added. After adding this we will get 68,650. And from this we are going to deduct the closing stock of the finished goods amounted to rupees 11,100. We are going to deduct the 11,100. After deducting this we will get 57,550. That is nothing but a cost of goods sold. To this we are going to add the selling and distribution overhead. Go through the problem whether selling and distribution overhead are given. Yes, selling expenses they have given, that is amounted to rupees 2,450. So here I will show 2,450. When you are going to add this we will get the 60,000. 60,000, that is nothing but a cost of sales. And here we are going to ascertain the profit. For that we need the amount of the sales. So go through the problem where the amount of the sales have been given. It is last but one item. Sales amounted to rupees 75,000. So here I will write sales amounted to rupees 75,000. Difference between the 75,000 and 16,000 will be the 15,000. That is nothing but a profit. Profit amounted to rupees 15,000. So this is how we are going to solve the problems on preparation of the cost sheet. Please go through the problem. With this I am going to conclude my discussion. Thank you.